Hi there, my name is Adarsh, and in this video I've gone in depth about how to create your own Shopify page, to adding images, videos, to creating tables, to changing font size, everything step by step. So watch this video till the end to design and create a high quality Shopify page. Okay, so let's get started.
Okay, see, so to create a page in your Shopify website, it's really easy, okay? If you want to create a page, click on online store, okay? Go to pages option right over here, click on this option, okay? Then these are the pages which you already have, like we have contact us page, refund policy, and we have 4 pages, okay? If you want to add another page, click on add page, okay? See, so from this page, this is the place where you are going to customize your page, okay? Like you can give the title of your page from here. See this formatting, see basically you can see there are different options, okay? Like block quote, heading 6, heading 5, okay? So basically, like you can see on this dashboard, there's no place of changing the size of the font, okay? So this is basically the page where you can change the size of the font, okay? Like if we select, let's say heading 1, okay? So you can see the size of A, okay? Now let's say we choose a paragraph. See, it's small because the paragraph letters are small, okay? If we choose the last option, let's say the heading 6, it's more smaller, okay? Now it's heading 2, so it's this size. Heading 1 is the biggest, okay? And block quote like this, okay? So these are the different sizes how you can change the size of your fonts, okay? Now let's say you have like this and you want to make it bold. Select this one and click on bold option. Now it's bold, okay? Okay, now if you want to make it like italic, you can make it italic. You can underline it like this, okay? If you want to change the font color, you can change it like the color from here, okay? Okay, now if you want to like align this font, like you can, it's aligned on the left side, okay? Your left alignment, center alignment, okay? Like right alignment, okay? And 10, okay? So these are the options for these things, okay? So if you want to place a bullet point over here, okay, click on this, here's the bullet, okay? If you want a numbered list, click on this, here's 1, okay? Okay, see, now let's delete all of this. Yeah, see, so let's say we have a couple of, like we have text over here, okay? Let's say we have text like this, and now we want to add an image, okay? So if you want to add an image, you can click on it, you can upload a file, okay? Or you can like directly product images from here, the product images which you have saved will display over here, or you can like paste an image from an URL, okay? Like you can just go to like Google, yeah, like you can go to like google.com and let's search for, let's say, pastries, okay? Yeah, click on this. Yeah, like let's say we want this image, okay? Okay, open image in new tab. Yeah, now copy this link, copy, and then just paste it right over here. Insert image. Yeah, and as you can say, our image is right here, okay? So this is how easily you can paste different images, okay? Now let's say we want to make a table, okay? So see, this is the insert table option, okay? Okay, so first click on insert table option, okay? So let's say this will be for the serial number 1. Now we want another column over here, okay? So if you want to create another column, click on it, this one, click on this again, insert row above, no, row below, yeah, column after, okay? We want to add a column after 1, okay? So click on this, yeah, here we go, there's another column over here, okay? Yeah, now if you want to place a column, let's say before this one, yeah, go to this option, insert column before, yeah, so it's a column over here, okay? Now if you want to create a row, okay, like see, these are the columns and rows are these, okay. So if you want to create another row, you can just insert row above like this one, or like below this, okay. Insert a row below, okay. So like this you can insert row below and above. Yeah, now if you want to delete a column or row, you can delete a row from here, like that's this. If your cursor is in this row, click on this, delete row. If you delete this row, if you want to delete a column, click on the column which you want to delete, click here and then delete the column, okay. So like this you can customize, or you can delete the entire table from here, okay. So with this you can create your own logos, sorry, not logos, your own tables. You can add different images. You can also insert videos, okay. Insert a video by pasting the menu snippet in the box, okay. So you can add different videos, you can create different tables, okay. You can customize your fonts, color, alignments, bullet points all over from here, okay. And if you want to like HTML, like show the HTML code, it will be displayed over here, okay. Okay, so then when you create everything, when you just click the option save, it will save all of the settings, and as you can see, it's visible in this time, okay. So if you save, the page will be like shown on our website, okay. It will be active, okay. Anyone can see this page. But let's say you are taking some time to create this page, so what you can do, you can make this hidden, okay. So no one will see this page until you want to see this, until you make this visible, okay. Okay, then if you want to set visibility date, like let's say if you want to launch your page on a certain date on a certain time, you can choose, like let's say 14th July on 1:30 a.m. okay. So when you do this and then save, then your page would be hidden till this time, and then it will be visible or active on your website on this page, okay. So you can just give it a title like this, okay. And this is how your page will be look in the search engine listings, okay. So if you want to create a page, and you create your page while keeping SEO in mind, so your page will help your website rank on the like search engines, okay. And you can get organic traffic from your search engines, okay. So this is how like your page will be look, okay. See, so like this option, like HTTPS, this is the website, this is the URL of the page, okay. This one is the title, and this is like the short description of your page, okay. So by this you can create, edit all of the pages of your Shopify website, and when you are final, you can just click save, okay. And here we go, you have created your Shopify page. You can see DGD created. You can go to back and see, now we have 5 pages, and this is our page, and it is hidden because we haven't launched it yet, okay. So this is how easy it is to create your own Shopify page, okay.
I hope you found this video useful. As I already just said, this video is the part of a Shopify series in which I am taking you on a journey from creating your own Shopify store to adding products to advertising to making real profit. So to get notified when I upload my next video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button to get notified when I upload my video. Thank you very much.